How to clear WhatsApp storage space. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you can clear WhatsApp storage space. Okay, straight into it. So to begin, open up the WhatsApp app on your mobile device and then go to Settings. Select Storage and Data. Then tap Manage Storage. From there, you'll find a menu that breaks down how much storage space your WhatsApp data is using and which specific media items and chats are taking up the most space. If you have some large conversations, you can go to Review and Delete Items, and then tap larger than 5 megabytes to see the biggest data hogging videos and photos. If, like me, you don't have many large conversations or files, you can tap on the individual chat, and in here it shows you a list of files and how much storage space they're taking up. You can tap on each individual one to see what they are before you start deleting them, or if you tap and hold, you can select them, or at the top it says select all, you can select all, and then you can choose to delete these files. So go through the list and review which ones you want to keep and which ones you want to delete. And that's what it takes to clear WhatsApp's storage space on your mobile device. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you like the video, subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments if this worked for you. Thanks for watching.